Hey, how you doing? Mike from 1A Auto, working on a 2015 Chevy Silverado. Going to show you how to remove and install the power window switch. Pretty much the same as the 2014 to 2018 Silverado, as well as the Sierra. If you're going to be working with the doors open, good idea. This switch right up here shuts off your dome light. Middle position is on with the doors open. Over here is permanently on, and then you can see the lights right here. Shut it off. That way your lights aren't draining the battery while you're working on your door. Gotta go down first, underneath, pull it up. Now this panel comes off, and this one can be a little unnerving. You just have to pull hard, and it does release. Sometimes these metal clips will fall into the door, but you actually want to retrieve them, and you can do it just by kind of squeezing them and prying up with a screwdriver, and then down with my finger. And sometimes these will fall down into the door, and you just have to wait till you have the door panel off to retrieve them, but you can just push them right back onto the panel so that when you go to reinstall it, they're there. Once this panel's off, there's 4 7mm bolts right here that we're going to remove. And I'm using a 7mm socket with a driver. You could use a ratchet and extension. Pretty hard to get at these with just a wrench though. Once you have that last bolt out, there's a little tab here. Just pull it out and up, and then this whole panel comes out. There are a few connectors. They just have tabs. This first connector here in the rear has a tab that pushes in from the front. It'll be difficult sometimes. This one has a tab on the inside. Disconnect. And then this third one has a little safety tab. You'll need a small flat blade screwdriver or a pick tool. And pull that out. Press this tab here down and disconnect. Okay, your window switch, I just push this way, push down on the switch, and then you pry out on the tabs. And the switch comes out. You switch, push it up into place. Just make sure it's lined up. Now we'll put our assembly back in place. Reconnect this one first. Push the red safety tab in. Make sure you push nice and firm and hear a good clicking on all these harnesses. And put it down in place. Make sure all your clips are in place. Put it down in. You gotta kind of push it towards the door and snap it down. And then we'll reinstall our 4 7mm bolts. For this first bolt that's down in here, sometimes it can be a little tough. I just put a little piece of paper towel on there so that the bolt will stay in place. Put it in and tighten it up. Get them all started, and then go back and tighten them up. And then the little notch goes in the front. Into place. And then this panel, once you've put your clips back on, you're gonna put the top up and in, and snap it back in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.